Hello guys, Adrian here from AppSeed. During this video, I will use the platform to generate a super simple Flask dashboard that uses MySQL as for the persistence layer. So in order to do this, we need to access the generator page, select the design. For this demonstration, I will use software dashboard provided by Creative Team, because was recently integrated into the generator, the latest product version. So the UI looks super nice. Before you generate the product, you can check the demo from a similar project. So we have here all the many pages with super colorful and well designed charts, data tables, in case your future product needs some billing widgets. You have them here. Profile with a lot of cards and stuff. Also RTL support. So in case anyone likes the design, the product can be generated in a few minutes with AppSeed. So I will select Flask for this demonstration. I will select here MySQL and hit the generate button. Now we need to wait a little bit to get the sources. The sources once the process is successful, we can download the sources using this link in zip form as a zip archive, and also the sources are uploaded to GitHub for later use. The zip archive link lives on our server for 3 days, so it's better to save it locally right after after the process ends. And let's download the project and try to use it. Okay, project is here. I will extract the sources here and use VS Code to open the project. The code base it's super simple. We have here the a comprehensive README with the build information. We can check the product features. We have here the database, MySQL in this case. We have instructions to start an application in Docker, how to set up the MySQL database, and also other things, how to build the product on different platforms like macOS or Windows. In case of any issues, feel free to ask for support, to access the support page and tell us what kind of issues you have. So let's get back to the product. It's open here. Oh, the code base, it's super simple. There are modules like authentication that handles the authentication routes. Home is related to provides a genetic routing to serve all the pages that comes from the UI kit. Static, it's about static assets like CSS and JavaScript files. And templates is the directory where all the pages are translated into Jinja into Jinja engine. We have here the templates for the authentication. Home provides all the pages, includes their different components like footer and navigation, and layouts directory holds the master pages for the project. So the first step is to create a database. The project comes with MySQL configuration, but we need to create the database. The tables, once the database is created, the tables are created automatically by the application, but we need to have database created first with and the user that can access the database with full privileges like to read and write permissions. Okay, I will use a super simple PHP and create a new database. Let's say test Flask database. Okay, I will create a new user. Let's say test user, test user, and the dummy password I will use a short one, test user. Okay, grant all, create database. I will check out all the privileges. Okay, so all this information should be saved in the environment file. So we have here the database engine, which is MySQL, database name, which is test Flask database, database user is test user, strong pass here is not the case. I will use a super simple and save the file. Okay, cool. So this is the database. Now we have no tables. Let's set up the application using the build instructions provided by the README. We can also visualize the build instructions here. I will create a virtual environment, which is the recommended way when we use the shared environment, not to just to avoid the collision of the version modules across multiple projects. Okay, let's install the modules. This might take a while, depends on your internet speed. Okay, here in Romania we have a super fast internet speed. Okay, I will set up the environment for PowerShell. Okay, so at this point what we basically did, generate the project, create the MySQL database, save the credentials in the environment file where we specify the database engine, which is MySQL, data host is database server is localhost, database name was created by us, test user and super simple password. Now Flask run minus port, let's say this port. Okay, so so the application is up and running. We will try to access it. Of course there is no user, so our database now should have the users table, which is automatically created at first request by the application. We can manually create all the application database within the Flask console, but I will detail this step in another video. So right now we have the application. There is no default users provided. I will create a new one. Super simple credentials. I use a simple password. The user has been created. Cool. So the application works. We have all the pages. We have authentication. We have our application is linked to MySQL. So that was pretty fast. Basically, using AppSeed, the developers and the designers can set up super quickly simple project. For now, the only the basic modules are provided in our starters, but in the coming weeks we will provide Stripey payments, data tables access, where the user can manage their information using a paginated data tables. Also, another features like social login using GitHub and Twitter, and many other modules. So guys, in case you like the video, in case you want to provide feedback and use our products, feel free to access AppSeed platform, chat with us on Discord, or just leave a comment in the comment sections on YouTube. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Have a super day. Bye.